Great day everyone. Recently I got a question on stream, what is market cap and how it actually works. So in today's video I will try to explain it to you in the easiest way possible. So let's go for it. Okay, so first of all, let's say that we have some company, let's call it C, and this company is going to be publicly traded on the stock exchange, for example, NISE. This company is going to have 1000 stocks. Now let's go for the price chart. So let's say that here is the time, that is price in dollars, and there is the price of our company. Let's say that at this point we got T1 and the price of the stock is on $10. That means that at the T1 the market cap of the company is 10 times 1000. What means the market cap is 10,000. Okay, easy as that. This is how you count market cap, the number of shares times the current price of the stock. But now what is actually happening at the market is, in case you got more buyers than sellers, that means that more people are trying to buy the stock instead of selling it, the price will go up. In case more people are trying to sell the stock instead of buying it, the stock price will go down. In our case, as it's only simulation, we will count with buyers only, okay? Easy as that. So let's say somebody wants to buy 5 shares. He wants to buy and nobody is already selling for 10. So the price will go for the 11 and he will buy 1 stock. Nobody selling 11. So the price will go for the 12. Nobody 12. So for 13, 14 and 15. In the end somebody bought 5 stocks only and the current price at the time frame 2 will be on the 15. What means that at the T2 our market cap is actually already 15,000, while towards the company only $65 were invested. You got me so far? That means if there are no sellers towards those levels, the price will easily go up and up and up. Of course, not always it's by $1, sometimes it's by $0.50, sometimes it's by a quarter and so on. But easily explained, in case there are buyers only, the price will go up. What I'm trying to show you not only how the market cap works, but also be aware that our market cap just increased by 5,000 while we invested only $65 on those 5 stocks, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means in case you got those stocks out there that double the market cap in half a year or 10 times market cap in 1 year, it doesn't matter that somebody invested 10 times those money into the company, but it simply means that somebody willingly bought the stock at this top price, and this top price times the number of stocks out there will simply create this new market cap that we have. Maybe you are asking what is happening when the stock split is actually in place. So let's say that we will have the stock split at the 1-to-3 ratio at our stock C, okay? That means that for every stock we will get 3 stock now. What this means is that our company C is going to have now 3,000 stocks, and that our current price at the 15 will be simply divided by 3, and that means that the current price will be on 5. What means, once again, 3,000 times 5 is once again 15,000. That means stock split is not impacting the market cap, but as you can see it will lower the price. Therefore maybe more people will think, oh, it's cheaper now and I can actually buy it. For example, a few years ago the Amazon stock was around the 3,000 and they made 1-to-20 stock split. That means you got 20 stocks for every one of your stocks, and what it meant was the new price of the stock was 150. It's just estimation, so it doesn't really matter. But as you can see here, the stock for 3,000 is considered to be quite overpriced and expensive. And you know, 3,000 for a stock, but 150? Yo bro, I'm in. You see what I'm talking about? So this is about the stock splits, but basically it does not impact market cap at all. The another thing I try to showcase with this video is watch out, because not every stock that is at the $15 is the same value. So let's say that our company has 1000 stocks out and 15 value. That means our company has 15,000 market cap, okay? But let's say there is something out there, something what has 1 million shares and the price is also 15. In this case, their value will be 15 million. What means somebody could take a look on the chart and said, the price is same, I'm going to buy this and that stock. But in the end, as you are looking at the market cap, it's completely different companies. So watch out and don't watch on price only next time as you are going to invest any of your money, but watch out for all of the other numbers around as well, as the market cap, as the P ratio, debt, dividend, and many more. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. Really hope you found it what you were looking for. Hope you are good and video fine. Thanks for watching and all of the support, and see you all next time.